Here I have ALCATEL 1C 2019, and today I'm going to show you how to set up this device. So firstly you have to select a language. I'll just stay with English, tap start. Then you can insert SIM card, but you can also skip this step for now and do this anytime later. Then you can copy your apps and data from your previous device, but you can also just set up this device as new and skip this step. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if you don't have any opened Wi-Fi network around you, you can skip this step too and connect to the Wi-Fi anytime later. Then skip it once again. Then you can set up date and time. Then you can name your device. Then you can protect it by setting up pattern, PIN, password, or you can just skip this step and do this later, or just don't do this at all. And then you can set up time for the schedule for the auto updates, but you can disable auto updates and don't do this at all. Then you have to disable all these ticks here, tap accept, and setup is complete. And that's it. Okay, then tap finish. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.